Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on OVR.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and as Louis said, we're going to be going through OVR today, and this is the cryptocurrency that many people have been talking about, and after the dip, it is looking very nice to be buying in. So yeah, let's get started.
So, just looking at the market cap, I just want to say this is imported, self-imported by OVR themselves. So this isn't from Coinmarketcap, as they have not verified the project's market cap themselves. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go off what they've imported themselves. So it might not be accurate, but if it's what the OVR is saying their market cap is themselves, then yeah, this could be it, should be it. So just looking at the prices, if we go, oh, so as you can see there, it had a big pump, right? And for its all-time high was $3 something. Where is it? Yeah, $3.17, and right now we're at 86 cents with a $14 million market cap. So for it to go back to its all-time high, we need about another just under $45 million or so, about that. And we should be back up to $3.15. So that is quite a lot, but for what this coin actually does, it's so unique. They've got a good team behind them, so I think it has a potential to go back to $3.15.
Okay, yep, so on the website, as we can see, it greets you with an app you can do on your Play Store or your App Store, and this is kind of something that, incorporates you as a cryptocurrency. So as you can see, when you scroll down, there is a map, as you can see, that shows you how many OVR people are online, where you can get your own personal virtual land, which is pretty cool, and you also can get paid from it, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, and the good thing is it's via auction as well, so you can't just straight up buy it. You're going to be competing with other people to get it. So I really like that addition they've got. So there's no set price specifically. There'll be a minimum bid or something like that. And the way it works, so you'll enter the OVR market, participate in land auctions, the way I just said. Then you'd buy your first virtual land, start an auction, and mint your own unique land token today, which then people can buy. And then you can create and upload 3D contents on your lands. The builder beta is accessible via a web browser. So it's kind of like a Sims, but for crypto. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting for this.
So as the way I see it is, as cryptocurrency grows, more and more people would want to get involved in virtual stuff. So, for all the early adopters that purchase their virtual land, they are the ones that can set the prices for however much people want to buy it for. And this basically means that, if you buy a land for, let's say, £1,000, then, you are in control of how much you want to sell it for. And as cryptocurrency grows, you can, sell it for as much as you want because, there won't be enough supply and there will be a lot of demand to get involved in these types of NFTs. And it's not really an NFT, but it's kind of something that OVR incorporates. And being that we are early adopters and the market cap is, I stated on Coinmarketcap, $14 million. You are still early, okay, and the price is still small. And if you wanted to buy this cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, you can actually buy this on Gate.io or Uniswap. Personally, I would buy it on PancakeSwap just because of the fees. However, as you can see, there is not enough liquidity on PancakeSwap. Therefore, you may want to resort to Uniswap.
So just looking at the CEOs, just looking at the CEO's LinkedIn, David Cotini. Sorry if I got that wrong. He's from Italy. He's had lots of experience in the space. As you can see, he was a co-founder of R&D Manager, which was a bid premium website. So it was also kind of like this. So he kind of integrated that with crypto via bidding. So he's obviously got some experience in this field. Um, he's done quite a lot of things in his life. So he seems like a trusted guy, but you should always do your own due diligence when you're investing in a coin, especially in the crypto space.
So OVR also provides staking, okay, where you can buy OVR, you can buy OVR land, and you can stake it. So you can vote for the best OVR node and get a share of hosting fees. This is kind of something that can provide you passive income, which, many people will want to be earning passive income, whether you are in a bull market or a bear market. So if you think about it, once you get your own land or your own share, you can then set up a node, okay, and that node will be there for potentially forever, so you can always be earning money through that. So yep, so OVR's platform is actually done by two decentralized infrastructures. and Ethereum for the ownership of OVR lands and OVR tokens. So you will be using Ethereum, which always recommend having Ethereum no matter what, either for Uniswap, Ledger fees, whatever. You must always have Ethereum, and on here you will require Ethereum to kind of use this. As you can see, okay, he also talks about the OVR nodes and IFS nodes and how they are critical. Okay, so these are the nodes that you will be using, and you as a holder can personally vote for the best nodes that you want, and only the OVR nodes with the best performance and most votes will receive a share of the hosting fees. Okay, so the voters will also be rewarded with a share of hosting fees as a reward for securing the network and compensation for staking temporary illiquidity.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press subscribe. We're really happy with the speed we're growing right now, so thank you very much. We really appreciate you all watching, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.